This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Kiana Chandler. A completely updated 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom basement rancher. The kitchen built for cooking ease with high-end Samsung appliances and luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. 2 of the bathrooms upstairs have jetted tubs. The 2-door garage that opens into the basement with the updated kitchenette is just a 2-minute drive from I-40. For more information, review the details below or contact Kiana Chandler at 865-584-4000.